My schedule is hectic, and sometimes at the end of a long day when I'm really tired, this little thing helps me fix my mood. When you do this, you focus on your breath and on the vibration of the sound, and I believe it helps you reset, and it's much more positive than just scrolling social media, getting too tired. So I believe this is a good choice. I got it on Temu for just a few dollars, and if you are interested, the link is down below, so you can choose this one or something of different color but the same.